Hi, today we'll discuss how easy and convenient it is to copy the trades of experienced traders directly from your smartphone using the Bybit platform. Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2018, and it confidently ranks among the top 5 global platforms by trading volume. It's chosen for its reliability, intuitive mobile app, and a variety of trading tools. Now to the exciting part, copy trading. This feature allows investors to entrust their capital management to professionals. You select a trader whose strategy you like, and their trades are automatically replicated on your account in real time. It's a great way to participate in trading, even if you lack deep knowledge or time. Bybit offers 2 types of copy trading. Spot. Here, you buy and sell real cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. It's a calmer option for long-term investments. Futures, a riskier but more profitable method. Here, you trade contracts, opening positions for price increases or decreases. Long, a bet on growth. If you believe the asset's price will rise, you open a long position and profit from the increase. Short, a bet on decline. You open a short position if you expect the price to fall, profiting from the market's downturn. In futures copy trading, leverage can be used, reaching up to 100x on Bybit. However, remember, the greater the leverage, the higher both the potential profit and the risk of losses. Additionally, each trader in the rankings has displayed statistics. Recent days profitability, number of followers, maximum drawdown, and trading style. This helps you choose someone who best fits your strategy and risk level. Let's delve deeper into what leverage is. It's a tool that allows you to trade with amounts exceeding your actual account balance. Example, if you have $100 and use 10x leverage, you can open a position worth $1,000. If the market moves in your favor, your profit increases tenfold. However, if the price moves against you, your losses are also multiplied by 10. It's important to remember, with too high leverage, the risk of liquidation increases. This occurs when the exchange automatically closes your position to prevent losses exceeding your deposit. So, with a sharp movement against your position, you could lose all $100 even with small price fluctuations. Therefore, professionals recommend. Beginners should use minimal leverage, 2x or 3x. Always set a stop loss. This is a protective mechanism that limits losses and closes the trade in advance. Don't invest your entire deposit in one trade. Instead, distribute your funds. Trading leverage is a powerful tool that can accelerate capital growth. But remember, without a clear strategy and cool calculation, it can lead to losses. Use it wisely. Before we move on to setting up copy trading, give a like and share in the comments. Have you ever tried copying other traders' trades? What results pleased you and which ones were unexpected? If you're still with us, it means the topic really caught your interest. Subscribe so you won't miss new episodes where we break down real cases, useful tools, and effective strategies in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Quickly about the pros and cons of copy trading. Pros. It provides passive income, saves time, and offers a chance to learn from experienced traders. Cons. There's no guaranteed profit. Even professionals make mistakes, and there's a commission for copying trades. Example, if a trader earns 20% in a month and you invested $500, you would gain $100 without opening trades yourself. However, if there are losses, the losses will be proportional. To start, open the Bybit app on your phone and go to the Trade section. Then tap on the 3 dots on the left and select Copy Trading. Here you'll be offered lists of traders sorted by categories. Elite traders with high ratings and a long trading history. ROI leaders, traders with the highest returns over a selected period. High P&L, overall profit indicator in dollars. To choose a trader that suits you, use the filters. Analysis period. Select at least 90 days to see long-term results, not just random short-term success. Win rate, percentage of profitable trades, set it to 30% and above. ROI over 90 days, aim for at least 12% to assess profitability. Maximum drawdown, up to 25% so the portfolio doesn't lose too much during market downturns. Number of followers, an indirect indicator of trust in the trader. If possible, choose tags like aggressive or conservative. However, it's better to disable the region filter to see all traders without restrictions. After making your selection, click Confirm to update the list. Now open the trader's profile for analysis. Profit chart. Look for smooth and steady growth. Sharp jumps might indicate random trades. Trade history. In the history section, you'll see all closed trades. In open positions, you'll see current ones. A good trader doesn't let losing positions hang, but instead cuts losses to avoid hiding them. Example, I found a trader with an ROI of 82% over 90 days, with 445 profitable trades against 188 losing ones, and he cuts losses. This indicates his discipline and honesty. We have great news. There's now an AI agent in Telegram that tracks market trends in real time. In the channel, you'll find fresh news, analytics, and trade ideas. Everything you need to stay one step ahead. We also have an active chat where traders share strategies, ask questions, and exchange experiences. Very soon, each member will have access to a personal AI assistant, a helper in the world of crypto and investments. Join us via the link in the description. Let's grow and earn together. Now, having chosen a trader, it's time to set up copying. In their profile, click Copy, agree to the terms, and select the trading pairs. To minimize risks, keep only BTC USDT and ETH USDT. If you fully trust the trader, you can include all pairs. Decide on the copying mode, fixed amount, for example, $50 per trade. This is optimal for beginners as you always know the maximum risk for each position. Multiplier, trades are scaled based on the trader's volumes. This mode can bring more profit, but the risks are higher, especially if the trader places large orders. Set up risk management. Stop loss, for example, 10%, so the trade automatically closes if the loss reaches half of the invested amount. Take profit. You can set it at 50% to lock in profits without constant monitoring. Limit the maximum amount per trader, for example, $500, to avoid investing your entire deposit in one trader. Enable auto unsubscribe if the trader is inactive for more than 21 days. For futures copy trading, set your own leverage. For example, 5x is safer. Even if the trader uses 20x, your trades will open only with your leverage. After all the settings, click confirm and copying will begin. In the My Traders section, you can track results, change parameters, or unsubscribe from a trader if their strategy stops being profitable. An important advantage of Bybit is the ability to copy multiple traders simultaneously and distribute your deposit among them. This reduces risks and allows you to test different trading styles, from aggressive to conservative. Copy trading in demo mode is an excellent way to test the platform without risk. You can freely experiment with settings and strategies without investing real funds. This is especially useful for beginners to understand how everything works and how different traders operate. If you have questions, check out the copy trading section on Bybit. There, you'll find educational videos on how to choose a trader, set parameters, and manage risks without unnecessary emotions. Remember, copy trading is not a magic earn button. It's a tool, and its outcome depends on the market and your strategy. Always approach investments with a clear mind. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to us, and share your thoughts in the comments. It helps us grow and share even more valuable content. Wishing everyone profits and confident decisions.